Yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Coming here today with another special video. What's good? What's happening YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I'm back with another video for you today. Hope everybody having a blessed day. Hope everybody had a good week. It's Friday, early November 5th, I think today is. And I got some cool shoes I want to preview, review, and show you. You know what I'm saying? I like to show you everything I got. And I'm actually kind of excited about these shoes, but you know, we'll see, we'll get to that. But before we do, please make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel and I'm gonna keep hitting you with these videos. So you might wanna hit that notification bell as well. So without further ado though, let's get into it and check out these kicks. All right, boom, so check it out, check it out. You see what we got here, right? That classic Air Jordan blocks. Black box with the gold Jumpman, right? Pretty simple. You know what comes in these, so you know what time it is, right? It's midday, it's low day, something like that. But you seen the thumbnail. So I got these kicks here. Ordered these on the Nike app. They dropped. I don't even know if I knew that they were dropping. So it wasn't like a first release. These have been out, and I was able to just get them. I think I probably had a chance to get them before, but like I said, you know, sometimes it depends on what's going on, and I just decided to go ahead and grab these, so it is what it is. So we're gonna get right into it, man. So right now, I got the Air Jordan 1 Mid Black Hyper Royal White, size 11, my size, retail $115. Go ahead and check the label out. Check the label out, check the label out. All right. So retail $115 on these bad boys. You know, open up the box. You got that white paper with the 23 on it. All right. Let's go ahead and take these out and check them out. All right. So, okay. Cool, cool, cool. All right. Boom. Check it out. Check it out. So right here, you got the Air Jordan 1 Mid Hyper Royal, right? Black, white, Hyper Royal. Right? Check out the shoe. So, you know, first thoughts of the shoe, it's a mid, of course, and you know how I feel about mids, right? I love them because Air Jordan Low, Air Jordan Mid, Air Jordan High ones, you know, they all are becoming a staple in the Air Jordan 1 community. Nothing wrong with mids, but to each his own. I'm rocking with mids. Okay, so one thing I like about this shoe, and I don't know if it's me, maybe I'm tripping because I'm getting so used to mids, but the quality on this shoe seems to be a little bit better. The black on here, which I'm gonna show you in a second, has got this tumble leather. Even the blue on the swoosh has got a little bit of tumble leather. All right, so it's not too bad. I also got the Air Jordan 1 Mid, I guess they would call band, but basically the red version of this shoe. All right, flip-flop is the red version. And maybe the color blocking is a little different. Don't let me lie to you. I might have to pull it out. However, I got the red, I got the blue, I got the all white. You know, it is what it is. It's an Air Jordan Mid. So let's go ahead and check it out. So on the bottom of the shoe, you see we got the all black outsole. You know I like the all black outsole. All right, check that out. Midsole, you got the white midsole. And I actually like the white midsole on these. It brings out the shoe. Okay, then moving up to the upper of the shoe. Right, we're gonna start at the toe box. So around the toe box, like I was just saying, we got this black tumble leather. So is that a new thing or not? I gotta look at my other shoes and maybe I'm tripping, but I like how that tumble leather looks. It's got a nice soft feel to it. So that's pretty cool. I'm rocking with the tumble leather. And then as you can see, it goes around and the rest of the black on the shoe behind the Nike swoosh right here is all tumble leather. So that's a dope look, right? All I say is for the mids is just make the mids with better material and people will like them. All right, on top of the toe box, you got this blue leather. Now, even this seems a little bit softer and lighter than the normal leather that comes on the mid. So maybe, again, I'm tripping. But, you know, you tell me. So Nike swoosh, you got the Hyper Blue, Hyper Royal Nike swoosh. And actually, that's tumbled too. See if you can get a good close-up of that. All right, you got black laces, you got that black tongue, the vinyl black tongue, and then you got the Jumpman, Hyper Blue Jumpman, that normal tag on top of the mids with the blue Jumpman in the air under it. All right, you got blue around the ankles with the black Jordan symbol on the side. Okay, around the black, you got mostly that Hyper Royal blue back there. Top of the ankles, you got this black leather. And then inside the shoe, you got a black sock liner inside the shoe, right? And then let's see if they gave us a blue Jumpman or what. And they did give us a blue Jumpman. You probably won't be able to see that, but they gave us a blue Jumpman inside the shoe. So all in all, right, I'm not gonna prolong this one. I just wanted y'all to check these out, right? It's a dope shoe to me, good shoe to have, right? Air Jordan mid. I definitely will rock it if the opportunity comes for me to rock it. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. This was an easy cop on the Nike app. However, it did instantly sell out. I mean, these shoes came out last year sometime originally, and they just instantly sold out on the Nike app. So what does that say, right? We got a lot of people just fiending for mids, fiending for lows, fiending for Air Jordans in general, for the retros that is. So I'm glad I got this pair, cool pair to add to the collection. Air Jordan 1 mid, Hyper Royal. Let me know what y'all think about it. Leave a comment down below. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm OG Bo Beats. I appreciate the love. I'm out. Peace.